Hi, welcome back to Cad's Review, and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, everyone. And this is day number 20 of our 25 days of Christmas, and we're getting down there. And today we are reviewing a product that was sent to us by Gourmia, and we have worked with them in the past, and they have such great products. Check out their website. They have a variety of different small appliances. So this is the K-Cup and Espresso multi-capsule coffee machine. And let's see, features revolutionary compatibility with K-Cup and Espresso, completely eliminates the need for two separate machines, so it's fully customizable, and you can use the arrow controls and visual LED display to adjust your brewing temperature and the cup size. And it has a lot of convenient features. It comes equipped with color-coded coffee, an espresso cartridge loading sets, flip-down Demitaze shot platform, 14 capsule collect system, and a removable 40-ounce water reserve and drip tray. So that's a great thing. And the pricing on this is $99.99, and the original price is $229.99. So that's a great deal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this. As soon as I get out of the box, I will set it up and show you how it works. Okay, so you're going to put the K-Cup in here. You're just going to kind of press it down a little bit. And this is where the cartridge goes, so you're going to make sure that this is closed. And we're going to pull this lever down like this. And these are the settings. So this is the cup setting if you want a smaller cup or a larger cup. And this is the temperature. You can make it lower, whatever the temperature you want. So we'll put it up high. And we're going to put the cup under there, and then we're going to go. So pretty simple process. And then we have the screen right here, so you can change it to the espresso, and it's basically the same thing. You just have to change the cartridges out for the espresso. And it has the pod holder, and it also has the cartridge. So now we do have, they have a little book here with some different recipes, and we have Jamaican rum brandy, I think it says. Okay, so coffee's all set, and like I said, the other pot is the espresso. And hold on, let me remember how to put this down. Well, it's simple. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. And you just put one of those little glass espresso cups in there, and you'll be all set. You just change the setting and put it on espresso, and shuts off. And just turn it back on, and then in here is really cool. When the pods come out, it goes right in here. It disposes of them. So, and it just goes back in like that. Easy cleanup, and you're all set. So thanks again to Gourmia for sending this out for review, and make sure you tune in tomorrow. And thanks again for watching, and be sure to check out tomorrow of 25 days of Christmas. Bye.